Start again, start again.
Yay,
We're doing both cases. The case that puts the coal in my heart and I die, and the case where he puts the coal on my clothes and I don't die.
All right, you're on. It's cool. Silly people. Clothing don't die. People can perhaps Khalila pass away and be killed. Clothing get injured.
I'm the guy who's going to die. I'll lay down on the chair.
Hold on 1 second.
Okay.
Okay.
So, a quick overview of what we're going to do. I'm going to lay down on these tables. Hopefully they won't break. And Tamir will come and put his coal to the glass case into my pocket for my heart, and on my pocket for the clothes. And then you'll see how it goes from there.
You're okay, Max. You're okay.
Max, why are you laying down? Just stay. Sure.
Now,
Okay, so he's dying.
I'm burning.
That's how you're gonna die?
Yes.
Let's go more dramatic, man.
We're going to fall table.
Okay.
5 minutes later I die.
Guys! Then I am Puzzle, right?
Yes.
Because
I wouldn't have time to remove the stone. So
Yeah.
it's my fault I'm dead.
you were just waiting there for like 5 minutes ago. So,
Okay, still lying down.
So, I will buy again. Then I put it on.
I push it off.
He does that.
Now you're tired.
I'm tired.
Kaya for what?
He's tired for my
I have
shirt.
to pay for his shirt.
What'd you do to his shirt?
He burned my shirt.
Oh, silly you. Yeah.
Yeah, no, right?
So he's tired because it's the same thing as if you tied a person down and then set him on fire because he can't move, and my shirt can't defend itself from my fault. So he's tired because of that.
And even more than that, perhaps, because how fast does the burning take place in the hot burning hot coal? Very quickly. Is there anything you could have done about it?
Yeah, push it off. I did.
Even if you did.
Oh, it's push off my shirt.
So you're going to burn however part of your shirt. Very good. Thank you.